Thanks for trusting me to help you get out of debt cheaper, easier, and faster using this free spending tracker and this free debt payoff. Now, I hope you already went through the debt payoff, so now I'm gonna go through the spending tracker. The spending tracker's goal is to show you every dollar you spent in a given month, to show you how much left over you have, to see how much you can put extra towards your debt each month. So I'm gonna go over just exactly how the spending tracker works. Again, this is a very simple and easy way to track your spending. There's placeholder data in here right now to show you just how the functioning works. And when you're ready to put in your own data, you can click remove the example transactions, it will remove it, and then you can put all your own data in. So if we're looking at this here, first, it kind of goes through the date of the transaction, the category, amount, and you can edit that categories. So the goal is that it will pull all of your transactions in automatically, and then you can see all your data automatically show. So you don't have to add any sort of manual data, but if you do want to add manual data, you can do it right here on the bottom. So if you look at this example data, you can click, you can see the cash flow, you get this monthly income, your monthly expenses, and your disposable income. That disposable income may be able to show you how much extra you have left over to pay off your debt. Now, you also have everything categorized, and you can edit the categories here so that you can kind of see where in line that your categories each month go, where all your money goes. Next, you can go to your view account section, and your view account section is where all your account information is. When you get to this section, there will be a dialog that opens up right here that will show you all the different accounts that you can sign up. So if you have Chase accounts, if you have Citi accounts, you can integrate them here, and it will automatically pull all your transactions for a month. That will then go back to your spending tracker so that every type of transaction you have will show up here. Again, free product. Hopefully this is really helpful to help you understand every dollar, where it goes, and then it shows you how much extra you have each month in order to pay off your debt faster. If you have any questions, please email me at support-team@tristan.com, and I'll do my best to get you the answer you're looking for right away. Thanks so much for watching.